Hey guys, it's Mark from Hallmark Pool Supplies. What is the best cleaner for your above ground pool? Well, I carry a lot of different cleaners on my website. There is a lot of different brands. There's a lot of different cleaners out there. There's suction cleaners, there's pressure cleaners, there's robotic cleaners. And robotic cleaners are what are sought after more today than any cleaner out there. And in my opinion, hands down, bang for the dollar, the best cleaner on the market for your above ground pool that you can buy on the internet is the E10. So if you guys are used to manual vacuuming a pool, then you already know the hassles of vacuuming a pool and buying the brushes and the vacuums and the vacuum hoses and the vacuum plates, not to mention your time and all the hassle using all of this equipment to vacuum your pool, when simply all we have to do is drop in an E10 robotic cleaner by Maytronics and the job is done. Now let's take a look at how easy and user-friendly the E10 robotic cleaner is to use. So for an example, you go out to your pool, the pool is dirty and you want to clean the pool. You take your unit and you put it in the pool. The unit itself has a 40-foot cord and we will be plugging it in to a power box which plugs into an outlet. Then we can hit our power button and turn it on and the unit will run and it will clean the pool. It does a very good job. Not only is it cleaning, we also have a scrubber here, so it's also brushing and scrubbing the floor and the bottom of the pool as it's cleaning. The E10 is not a wall climber, it is a floor cleaner only, but think about it, 99% of the trash in an above ground pool is on the floor. So this unit does a very good job cleaning, and you can now take off, go do something else, and this unit does not have to be babysitted. It will clean the pool. When you come back, it'll be nice and clean, it'll be done. The unit does run on a 90-minute cleaning cycle, and it only costs a nickel an hour. Now, after we're done cleaning the pool, and we come home, and we see that the pool is clean and it's finished and done, we can then unplug the unit, pull the unit out of the water. When we do, very simply, all we have to do is open this. There is a basket here that all the trash goes into. We want to wash and clean this basket, dump it out. Then we can put this in, and then we are ready to go. We can store the unit and it'll be ready to go for the next time we use it. Besides features, some of the other benefits that we have in using this unit, this is a standalone unit, as you saw when I pulled the basket out. As this unit is cleaning the pool, all the trash goes into the basket. It does not go into the pump and filter. Therefore, we don't dirty up the tank. We don't have to backwash as much. We don't have to add water. We don't have to add more chemicals because of all the backwashing. So this is very eco-friendly. It allows us to clean the pool very economically. Like I said before, a nickel an hour. It saves on chemicals. A lot of hassle is taken out of the equation when using these type cleaners, and that's why I say bang for the dollar. For the money that you spend, the E10 is the best cleaner on the market that you can use in your above ground pool. In the pool industry, there is a reason why people are moving towards robotic cleaners, and they're moving away from pressure, suction, and even manual cleaning, because these units are state-of-the-art, and the technology and the simplicity of using these units have greatly simplified pool ownership. So if you guys are interested in an E10, I will post links down below in the description so you guys can check it out. And if you guys have any questions, definitely comment down below. I'll be glad to help. I definitely want to take this time to thank everyone for watching, especially my subscribers. And if you hadn't subscribed or liked, definitely do so for future content. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Remember us at Hallmark Pool Supplies for all your pool needs. My name is Mark, and I'll see you guys on the next video.